Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Audi A3 S Line. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower, and while still returning up to 65 miles to the gallon, so really good performance and economy there. The insurance group is 25 and road tax is just £20 a year. The mileage is just over 50,000 miles and the car's been serviced by Audi. This particular colour is called Ibis White, and as we look inside with the S Line, first of all, you've got the really nice half leather seats there. They support you really well, and there's an armrest in the centre as well for the front passenger and driver. Onto the dashboard, you've got your pop-up display that comes out the dashboard at the top there for your DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has climate control as well as cruise control there behind the steering wheel. That's that lever there on the left hand side, as well as the multi-function steering wheel, and that is a really nice steering wheel to hold. As we open the tailgate on the A3, you've got the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then you also have the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, with some extra storage below, and you can also lower that to increase the volume within the boot as well. Externally, the car comes with the daytime running lights and the 18-inch alloy wheels, and as I'm going to try and zoom in for you, as you can see, they're in really great condition for the age and mileage. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.